Have you ever thought a little extra cash would really help with those monthly bills? But then you just dismiss the idea because you think you don't have time. Bullshit. Now, let's be honest. How much time do you spend on your phone, scrolling, texting, or just browsing? What if you could turn some of that screen time into actual income? Now, imagine a side hustle where you don't need to show your face, record videos, or invest in any fancy equipment. All you need is an internet connection, a device, and ability to chat. And here's the best thing. You could potentially earn over $3,000 a month just by doing this. Sounds kind of amazing, right? And welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Damir, and this is where we explore practical ways to make money online, boost productivity, and achieve financial freedom. Today, I'm sharing a straightforward side hustle that could be a game changer for you. And stick around because I'll break down the platform, its requirements, pay structure, and how to get started. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your chat skills into cash. And trust me, you'll want to see this to the end. Now, the platform we're discussing today is called Remotely For You. And that's a service that pays you to chat with people online. That's simple. No calls, no videos, and no need to show your face. It's entirely text-based, and what makes it even better, well, it's completely anonymous, so your privacy is protected while you work. Now, you might wonder, why would anyone pay me just to chat? Well, the truth is, in today's digital world, many people crave connection. Some are lonely, some are bored, and others just need someone to share their thoughts with. And your role is simple. Be a friendly, approachable person on the other side of the conversation. Topics can range from casual small talk about sports or weather to more personal interests, and your job is to keep the dialogue flowing naturally. But what makes this side hustle even more appealing is its flexibility. You're already chatting throughout your day during, I don't know, lunch breaks, downtime, or just while watching TV. Now, imagine earning money while doing something you already do daily. It's an easy way to monetize your time and habits without making drastic changes to your routine. Now, as I promised, let's dive a bit deeper into this platform and cover some things that you'll need to get started. Now, getting started with Remotely For You is kind of simple, but there are a few basic requirements you'll need to meet to ensure success on this platform. First and foremost, you need to be at least 18 years old. This is standard requirement for many platforms to comply with legal and other, contractual regulations. Then, your written English needs to be top-notch. Most clients communicate exclusively in English, so it's crucial to have excellent grammar, spelling, and clarity. Now, if you're someone who loves crafting thoughtful messages or has a knack for clear communication, this job will feel like a second nature. Third, you'll need your own device, whether it's computer, tablet, or smartphone. Paired with that, a stable, reliable internet connection is non-negotiable. Keep in mind that Remotely For You doesn't provide any equipment, so make sure your setup is ready before you apply. If you're using a smartphone, a larger screen or an external keyboard can make typing faster and more efficient, especially for longer shifts. And let's not forget time commitment. While this is a flexible job, there's a minimum number of messages you'll need to send each week to stay active on platform. This ensures you're contributing consistently and meeting the platform standards. But no worries, it's not a full-time gig unless you want it to be. The beauty of this side hustle is its adaptability to your schedule, whether you're working a 9 to 5 or juggling other commitments. Now, let's break down how much you can earn with Remotely For You and what you can expect as you progress. Now, week 1 is something as a probation period. When you first start, you'll spend some time learning the platform and its processes. And during this phase, you're gonna send an average of 25 to 35 messages per hour, and you will work around 15 to 20 hours per week. And the earning potential is between $110 and $170 weekly. This stage helps you get familiar with the system and gradually improve your speed and efficiency. Now, by the second week, you'll have a better grasp of the job and your speed will increase. And here's what you can expect. You're gonna send around 35 to 45 messages per hour, and your work capacity will increase, so it's gonna be 20 to 30 hours per week, and earnings also increase to $220 to $280 weekly. Now, you may also start to notice some bonuses and incentives for hitting hitting certain performance targets. Now, this period is gonna last from week 2 to week 4. Now, once you've completed your first month, you'll operate at peak efficiency. And at this stage, you're gonna be sending an average of 45 to 60 messages per hour, working 20 to 40 hours per week, and earning $340+ weekly. And don't forget additional bonuses for extra hours or exceptional performance. Yeah. Basically, this phase allows you to maximize your income while maintaining flexibility. With consistent effort and high performance, operators have reported earning over 3K per month. And you can achieve this by maintaining a high message rate, like closer to 60 messages per hour, strategically scheduling your work during peak hours, and taking full advantage of available bonuses and incentives. Now, here's the good part. Payments are made weekly in euros, so you don't have to wait until the end of the month to get paid. And the platform also offers bonuses for meeting specific milestones, like working extra hours or maintaining high quality performance. And that can further boost your income. Getting started with Remotely for You is pretty straightforward and, it's simple, hassle-free. And here's a detailed breakdown of the application process to ensure you're fully prepared to begin. Your first step is going to be to provide some basic details. First, your name. And your name needs to be full legal name as it appears on your ID. Well, makes sense, right? Now, email. And also make sure you use a valid email address that you can check regularly, because it's really important to follow updates and instructions that are sent there. Of course, about your application, not mine. And also some additional information. They might ask you about your availability, language proficiency, and any prior experience. And don't worry if you're new. This job is accessible even for beginners as long as you meet the standard requirements. Now, this initial stage is kind of quick and it takes like just a few minutes to complete. You just fill out form and that's it. Now, step number 2, since this platform or this position is only open to individuals aged 18 and above, you'll need to verify your age. And here are some things that you're gonna need. First, a valid government issue ID, such as passport, driver's license, or just national ID card. A clear and legible photo or scan of your ID for submission. So basically you take your ID, passport or whatever, take your phone, boop, and you have a photo. And this step ensures that you meet the legal age requirements and helps maintain the platform's credibility and security. Now, once your application and ID are approved, you'll proceed to the training phase. And this is the vital part of the onboarding process. And during training, you'll learn how the platform works, including navigating its, interface and responding to different types of conversations. Also, you're going to receive guidelines on how to maintain professionalism and engage effectively with clients. It's all about engagement with clients. Also, you're going to understand the types of topics you might discuss, from like casual small talk to more specific interests. They're all safe. And you might get tips on managing your time and, hitting your weekly message targets. The training is designed to set you up for success. It ensures you feel confident before handling live chats. It's concise but thorough, so you'll be fully equipped to start working right away. Now, here are a few tips to make you lean, mean, chatting machine. It rhymes. First, be honest and proactive. Highlight your communication skills and flexibility when filling out your application. Then show commitment. Platforms like this often value applicants who show enthusiasm and the willingness to learn. You can also mention any relevant experience, even if it's informal, like customer service or helping friends and family with tech or just communication tasks. And prepare for training. Take this training really seriously. It's your chance to fully understand what's expected and how to maximize your efficiency. Now, I'm positive that there's gonna be some of you that don't find this side hustle appealing, but it really is appealing. And for those who find this appealing, let's just explore why is this so appealing. I said appealing too many times, I think. First, it's total flexibility. The best part with this side hustle is you can work whenever it suits you. Whether it's during your lunch break, after work, or even on the weekends, you're in control. And it's perfect for anyone juggling a busy schedule or just looking to add some extra income on the side. Second is you can use AI. Like if you're feeling stuck mid-conversation, tools like ChatGPT can be a lifesaver. They can help you with topics you're unfamiliar with or even polish your responses. Plus, they make your workflow faster and smoother, which means more messages and higher earnings. And third, well, this isn't just about earning money. You're offering real connection to people who might need someone to talk to. Knowing that you're making someone's day a little better adds a sense of purpose to this role. Now, this side hustle really stands out because it combines flexibility, efficiency, and meaning, and you earn on your own terms while making a positive impact, and that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a side hustle that's simple, flexible, and pays well, remotely for you is definitely worth considering. Whether you're aiming to cover some bills, save for a goal, or just have more financial breathing room, this opportunity has real potential. And if this sounds like something you try, head over to Remotely for You to start your application. I'm gonna leave the link below in the description of this video. And before you go, let me know in the comments, does this side hustle sound like a fit for you? Or are there any other opportunities you're curious about? I would really like to hear your thoughts. And also, as a mandatory, don't forget to subscribe for more practical ways to build your online income and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.